You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this video game, probably one of the most mispronounced video games names in the entire world. And if you want to learn more from gaming, stay tuned. Tons more pronunciations for you. It's pretty straightforward once you know. Alright, so it's pronounced tomb. Tomb. Alright, so you have a silent B, don't pronounce it. And then the O is like double O, in fact. So yes, I know it's confusing. It's tomb. Tomb. And the second word is not rider, but rather raider. Raider, that's British English, raider, Tomb Raider, or in American English, in the US, Tomb Raider, Tomb Raider or Tomb Raider. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.